Hello friends, you are watching. Welcome to my channel video watching job. இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெலிகாலிங் ஒர்க் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. தேவைப்படுறவங்க கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் ஐ வாண்ட் திஸ் ஒர்க் அப்படின்னு கமெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கான டீட்டெயில்.
Hey there friends, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're diving into the world of telecalling, specifically job opportunities in the vibrant city of Chennai. Telecalling plays a pivotal role in the business industry, bridging the gap between a company and its potential customers. It's a realm where communication skills shine and leads are born. So if you're searching for a job or just curious about what a telecalling job entails, stay tuned. Now, let's dive into the specifics of the telecalling job position. As a telecaller, your primary role will be to bridge the gap between our company and potential customers. This entails reaching out to prospective clients via phone calls, presenting them with our products and services and sparking their interest. Your day-to-day responsibilities will include making outbound calls to generate leads, answering questions about our offerings, and addressing any concerns the potential customers might have. Remember, your communication will be the first point of contact for many customers, making it pivotal to the overall customer experience. This position is full-time and is based in the bustling city of Chennai. So if you're local or willing to relocate, this could be a perfect fit. So if you're someone who enjoys interacting with people and have a knack for persuasive communication, this could be the job for you. So you might be wondering, what qualifications do I need for this job? Well, let's break it down. First and foremost, you need to have excellent communication skills in both English and Tamil. You'll be interacting with a wide variety of customers, so being able to communicate effectively is key. But don't worry if you're not a language expert yet. Fluency comes with practice. Now you might be thinking, do I need previous experience in telecalling or customer service? While having prior experience could give you a head start, it's not a deal breaker. In fact, we believe in the potential of every individual, and we provide comprehensive training to all our new hires. So whether you're fresh out of college or you're looking to shift careers, don't let the lack of experience hold you back. In essence, if you're a good communicator, this job is well within your reach. Now let's talk about the sweet part, the benefits. We all have bills to pay and mouths to feed, and you'll be glad to hear that our company offers competitive salaries to ensure you can comfortably meet your financial obligations. But it doesn't stop there. We believe in rewarding hard work and dedication, which is why we offer attractive incentives and performance-based bonuses. So the more you put in, the more you get out. It's a simple and fair system that keeps our team motivated and driven. But we don't just want you to earn, we want you to learn and grow. Our company provides ample opportunities for career growth and development. We encourage our team members to climb the ladder, break the ceiling, and reach their highest potential. So not only is it a job, but it's also a stepping stone for your career advancement. So, are you interested in kickstarting your telecalling career in Chennai? Now, I'm sure many of you have been intrigued by the prospect of joining a dynamic team, working in an exciting role and growing your career. And why wouldn't you be? This opportunity is not just about earning a competitive salary, it's about growth, development, and enrichment. But remember, opportunities like this don't wait around. They are seized by those who are quick, decisive, and driven. So if this opportunity has sparked a flame of interest in you, don't let that flame burn out. Instead, fan it into a fire of action. Reach out, inquire, apply. Applying is as easy as sending an email. You can reach out to the provided email address with your resume and a brief introduction about yourself. Or, if you prefer a more direct approach, why not give the company a call? They would be more than happy to discuss the opportunity with you further. And if you're still uncertain or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, the only foolish question is the one unasked. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take that step forward, reach out, inquire, apply. Who knows, this could be the opportunity that sets your career on an exciting new path. Thank you for joining me today, friends. Remember, opportunities are for those who seize them. Until next time, take care.